Retired military officers rail against attack on NDA. The old students, the people that passed through this same institution, they have started talking. The following retired generals have commented on what happened in NDA. After all, they all passed through the institution, so their comment holds water. They are Oyinlola, Bode George, Kunle Olawumi, the man that appeared in Channel TV to talk about those that are involved in Boko Haram, Samuel Agbede, Ekponwen, Ararile, and Usman. The officer said yesterday that what happened in Kaduna that made bandits to attack the institution, that 2 officers were killed and 1 injured, is a shame on this nation. The retired officers who expressed consternation about the disgrace the attack subjected the military include former governor of Osun State, Brigadier Olamisoye Oyinlola. The reaction came on the day President Buhari said the attack on NDA will spur the armed forces to make a decisive end to criminality in the country rather than dampen their morale as intended by the bandits. This is even as the authority of the Nigerian Defence Academy, acting on the directives of the Chief of Defence Staff, General Lucky Rabo, yesterday constituted a board of inquiry to ascertain the remote and immediate cause or causes of the breach of the security at the premier military institution. Oyinlola said, the former military administrator of Lagos, said in the interview on Rep FM radio talk show monitored by Vanguard that for such attack to have happened successfully inside NDA called for serious concern, especially with regards to the security situation in the country. That such attack happened at NDA is a total disgrace. Whatever may have happened points to the fact that somebody has refused to do his job. He's saying the truth. It's a total slap on the face of the military. I have not got details of how it happened, but if that kind of thing could happen in such a place, then God help us all. I'm sad that such happened. I haven't served in the military for 30 years. That is Oyinlola speaking. For Bode George, it is charade and a shame. The former military administrator of Ondo State, Commando Olabode George, retired, expressed shock and described the invasion of the NDA as a charade and a shame. He said that it's like burning the bird of a king. The bird of a king. I'm shocked because the NDA is the kernel of the military institution. If they bandits can attack the NDA, which other institution is safe? The NDA is the firmament of military institutions. If the security around the NDA is not much, cannot be watertight, then which other institution is watertight? They must investigate it to the bone. This is a charade and a disgrace. Kunle Olawumi, in his own reaction, a former naval officer, Commando Kunle Olawumi, retired, in an explosive interview, said it is an aberration. You don't attack the Nigerian Defence Academy and get away with it. He lamented that the NDA, like other military environments in the country, carelessly opened its door to everyone on Fridays for Jumat prayer, adding that terrorists and criminal profile military environment during Muslim prayers on Friday. Commando Olawumi, who spoke in an interview on Channels TV breakfast show Sunrise Daily, said, I carried out an investigation in 2017 ordered by the Minister of Defence, who wanted me to check what was going on with the training and the security in NDA. I remembered I spent about a week in the NDA with the commandant and the staff, but something struck me. Every Friday, the gate of the NDA is thrown open and everybody has access to pray in the mosque. On Friday, you are going to see same thing happening across all military formation in the country. If you go to Defence Headquarters, I served at the Defence Quarter as the Deputy Director, Defence Administration between 2015 and 2017. These people are talking, and what they are saying, honestly, is a shame. Why will the military allow things like this to happen to us? They have brought shame to us. Will this continue like this, or this should stop? What is your advice? What is your comment? What is your take? Kindly make your views known. Thank you.